made you think that I don't care. But the truth is, I love you very much, and I am so proud of everything that you do.
Really? You never said that to me before.
Well, I guess I'm so busy making sure that Jackson gets some attention, there wasn't enough left for you.
Grandma, do you know how that makes me feel?
Kind of invisible.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the way your brother feels all the time.
Really? He never said anything.
What's he gonna say, sweetie? Don't be Hannah Montana. He wouldn't be a very good brother if he said that now, would he?
No, I guess not. I guess I wouldn't be a very good sister if I made you stay here. Go, we'll catch up with you later.
I love you, kiddo. You rock that Queen's World. I cannot wait to hear all about it.
Thanks, Mom. It's nice to see the soft side of you once in a while.
Алисиська.
Stay away from that dessert table or all of your sides are going to
Алисиська. Беатрисиська. Алисиська.
So awful, Daddy. We're gonna miss Jackson all because of me.
It's not your fault. There's nothing you can do unless you know some way to...
Беатрисиська. Ку-ку. Ку-ку, Алиса. Ку-ку.
That woman makes a snail look like a cheetah. You ready, darling?
Dig it up, Daddy.
Биба.
Excuse me, bird. I'll take it from here.
Беатриса. Биба. Беатрисенька.